please just tell me what's on your mind, 'cause I don't have time to figure it out, We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go our separate ways. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my living room updates video, and we're going to start first of all with a DIY for my living room with these beautiful roses. I recently got these gorgeous little rose boxes on clearance for just 50 cents each at Bunnings. I really love them, but I just didn't like the colour, guys, so I'm going in with this Dulux colour called Post Boy. Now, I absolutely love how these came. I can't recommend enough that if you have flowers that you don't like the colour of, guys, just spray paint them. It is such a cool trick. I also wanted to go in with some of this leftover wallpaper that I had. It's a peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon, and I'm going to cover the boxes in it.
And I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out.
Now, another colour that I absolutely love is this colour called Enterprise by Dulux. It is a stunning blue. Now, I had this flower box, guys, that had a raw timber base, and I'm going to go in and give it 2 coats. Once it was completely dry, I then went in with this decorative fretwork that I spray painted gold. So guys, my next DIY is inspired by my beautiful friend Liz here on YouTube. Her channel is called Traditions by the Seasons, and she is an absolute joy to watch. I so enjoy having Liz as my beautiful friend from across the ocean. Now, she inspired me when I seen that she uses these barn lights over her arch mirrors. So I picked up one in black from Bunnings and brought it home and spray painted it white. Now guys, I had no electricity for this, and I went on TikTok and found this cool hack that I'm going to share with you. Now at Bunnings, they have this PVC pipe, guys, and it's really inexpensive. I think it was like $1.50, and this actually screws into the light. You're then going to get some of those remote control puck lights. Now, I got these from Bunnings as well, but you can pretty much pick them up anywhere. And you're going to hot glue it down onto that pipe, and that pipe will then screw into your light. So guys, this ended up being a little bit of a fail, only because of one reason. There's a glass fitting that goes over the top of your globe, and because the puck light was too wide, then the glass fitting wouldn't fit over the top. So I've actually now just ordered from Amazon some of those battery operated globes. However, this is a great hack for other areas of your home. So guys, I have certainly done quite a few updates in my living room by changing around my decor as well as my furniture, but the most notable one of all is we had plantation shutters installed, and oh my goodness guys, the difference to this home is amazing. I love how crisp and clean and white the plantation shutters are, and they have such a modern feel to them. My style has definitely evolved, guys. I've gone through so many styles, but I really feel like this is really my style this year. I really love French Provincial, I love glam touches, I love rustic, I love farmhouse, and I just feel like all these styles are sort of rolled into one in my home, and I'm really loving the Hampton style of decorating. And with Hampton style of decorating, they use a lot of blue, and blue would definitely be my second favourite colour to pink. I absolutely love these simple DIYs, guys, that I did with the flower boxes. I really feel like the simple touch on the mantle really makes a statement, and I love the pop of colour. Guys, I really love how decorating is always evolving. You know, I love it's in me, it's my passion when it comes to decorating my home. Now, I've been in this home for 7 years, so I've evolved through a lot of styles to get it to this point. Now, one of the things that I love, my passion as well, is obviously DIY projects, and the best part about DIYs is if you haven't done a DIY before, social media in general, there's always a video. There's always a video on whatever you want to do, and that's the blessing about social media, is that we can Google something in a heartbeat and know how to do something. So I love the educational side of that when it comes to doing DIYs. Another thing I definitely recommend, guys, that I love so much is finding things on Marketplace. I can't stress enough about getting excited about finding things on Marketplace, because you know, today people don't keep things very long, and you'll always find an amazing bargain on Marketplace.
If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side.
So guys, I'm so in love with this barn light over the top of my arch mirror, and I love that I was inspired by my beautiful friend Liz over at Traditions by the Seasons. So don't forget to check out her channel, guys. If you've been inspired by my video, Liz has a channel jam-packed full of so much inspiration. I always tell Liz I could watch her decorate all day, and I really could, because she's just such a sweet and talented lady. So definitely go and check her out.
Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Now, one of my favourite things I've done in my living room, guys, was actually in my dining room. Now, my house is very open plan, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that this area used to be my dining room table. So what I did is I made it into a little breakfast area along with some DIY banquette seating, and I'll leave that video linked for you down below. But the thing that I was really loving, and I feel like, let me know in the comments below, guys, if you can see my vision here, but I feel like by putting the bigger dining table in the other area was just the icing on the cake. Everyone that walks in my home now goes, wow, you've put the table over there, and they're like, you should have done that from the time you moved in. And I was like, yes, I'm so happy that people can see that now. But there's a prime example, guys, of having some vision, and you play around with it for so long, and then all of a sudden you put something in a certain spot and straight away you know it's the right one.
Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, and most people call me Chelle, but I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to decorate my home. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video on a sunny Wednesday here in Australia. Now guys, I mentioned last week I am uploading now 2 times a week. So it'll be every Wednesday and every Sunday at 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. This Sunday, I'm starting my beautiful fall-winter series. Now guys, here in Australia, it is winter, and I've been trying to wait for the rest of the world to catch up, but I know my overseas friends will be decorating for pumpkin season, and it is my favourite season of all to decorate. So I'll be showing you how I decorate for our fall right through to Halloween. So if that's something that may interest you, don't forget to tap your notification bell, and I'll see you all on Sunday. Have a wonderful week, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye now.